so cute. Oh my god. Yes.
I know that's right. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but right now I am back in South Florida in my hometown, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Woo woo. And I'm about to go get my hair done by my girl Jaleesa. Y'all know she's been doing my hair for the past 5 years basically. So yeah, I'm about to go get a new color, and you'll already see it in the thumbnail and the title. I'm going to be going ginger. Yeah, I'm really excited. So she's gonna dye my hair ginger and then do a silk press, which hopefully South Florida lets it live a little longer than 24 hours, you know. So I flew down here, of course, so I don't have my car, so I'm waiting on my Lyft. So I'm waiting for my Lyft to get here so that I can go and get to the hair salon. So should be here any minute now. Look who it is. My favorite stylist. Child, the absolute bare minimum with my hair has been crazy. Like, I literally will just wash it and then condition it and then either blow it out or literally just leave it. Wow. Like, no product, no nothing, just vibes. But you know what? I noticed that my hair, like, kind of likes it like that. Like, it doesn't feel like super dry when I do that. Like, it actually feels pretty moisturized for a while. So I'm like, okay. I put a little leave-in conditioner sometimes, but that's really when I'm just being extra. Like,
We're about to go back to a life of high maintenance hair.
Yeah.
Ready for this?
I am ready.
These braids.
Oh, that's what I'm really ready for. That's just getting out of hand.
Being straightened.
I love it here. I absolutely love it here. It's so great. It's so easy. I don't think about what I'm gonna do to my hair. I already just know. Make a test piece because she dyed my hair a while back to cover my grays. So she wants to make sure it's gonna lift.
So cute. Oh my gosh.
I like it. You look just like your mama.
I do.
Just like her.
Call me Annie from now on. Man, that is the 10 stuff. So good. So good. You are so annoying.
Look at me. You can't even see yourself. Zoom out. Ooh. I know that's right.
The movement.
The body.
Look at me. Yes, sir. Yeah. The grays are gone, honey. I love it. Huh? Oh, better lighting. It's not terrible. Oh, this is way better. So, as you guys can see, we're all done. And so now I'm just at Jaleesa's crib. We're just gonna hang out and eat some food and do some things. Gang, gang. And then I will catch you guys on the flip side.